Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play a love song on guitar. We'll start by learning three essential open chords: G major, C major, and D major. These three chords are incredibly versatile and form the foundation for hundreds of popular tunes. Focus on pressing down firmly with your fingertips to get clear notes, and practice transitioning smoothly between each shape. This initial step is crucial for building your guitar playing confidence and skill. Next, let's add a simple yet effective strumming pattern. Try a down, down, up, down, up rhythm. This pattern creates a lovely, flowing feel perfect for a heartfelt love song. Use your wrist to keep your strumming hand relaxed and consistent. Focus on maintaining an even tempo as you move your hand across the strings. Practicing this rhythm will bring your chords to life and add a beautiful musicality to your playing. Now, let's put those chords and the strumming pattern together. A common and beautiful progression is G, C, G, D. Play each chord for 2 strums of our pattern, then switch. Start very slowly, ensuring each chord change is clean and smooth. Consistency is key, so dedicate at least 15 minutes every day to practice. Regular practice will build muscle memory and significantly improve your playing speed and accuracy over time. Finally, let's add some emotion to your playing. Try singing along softly as you play. This helps connect you to the music. Experiment with varying your strumming dynamics, perhaps playing softer during verses and a little louder during choruses. Most importantly, share your music. Playing a love song for someone special is a truly wonderful experience. Your heartfelt effort will create a beautiful and lasting memory for both of you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.